Yo, what up, YouTube? It's Tom. Back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a backtesting vid on the loss that I ended up taking last night. Coming into the market, we did display some bearish confluences. We obviously were respecting this gap that we made up here on the 15-minute and 30-minute. Oh no, this is a 30-minute gap. But we were very, very bearish, and I thought that we wanted to go up higher because we had this untouched gap, but it was price action wanting to actually come down into this new day opening gap that we made. Price wanted to come down into there, so pretty much what I was doing on the 5-minute was here. We had previously taken out London low on NQ, while ES had taken out all of New York and had taken out all of these liquidities to the downside here, and we started to make a move to the upside. We were respecting we inversed this gap here, and we were respecting bullish order flow, and I thought that we once we made a retrace, I could have entered, but I should have taken into consideration that we hadn't inversed this gap yet, and we were obviously wanting to go lower. But that's weird. Wow. But yeah, wasn't my best trading day. Was not my best trading day. I probably should have ended it by the time it hit 10:30 or 11. I still chose to stay on. I had all my confluences down and my confirmation. I just had the wrong bias. I think I was too fixated on the lower time frames, which was my mistake. Obviously, on the we were bearish. Yeah, that's absolutely my fault. It's not the market's fault or anyone's fault. This is all on me. This was my mistake, and I'm gonna learn from this and come back stronger. Because that's what I do. Because we did break arm struck the upside on both indexes, but I think we were playing off for the 4-hour on this one. Obviously, we were still bearish, slightly bearish confluences when we came into this gap in the 4-hour. But lesson learned from today, higher time frame hold higher power. I need to should have taken into consideration that we had an inverse this 30-minute gap, and other than that, guys, I'll see you guys tonight with another day trading vid. Today wasn't the best day. It wasn't the best day at all. I probably should have shorted off of this instead of long. We respected the gap on both indexes. We still had untouched liquidity to the downside, and we had this this new day opening gap prices touched into now. Now we're starting to move to the upside. We have broken 1-hour structure on NQ and ES. So now should have been a good opportunity to look along. I think it was just me itching to get into a trade so late into the market, and I didn't want to miss out. So I think that was another thing that I went wrong. I shouldn't have traded tonight. But I just had my bias mixed up, and I said what I wanted price to do if we respected it. I could have shorted, but for some reason after that we hit after we broke 5-minute structure to the upside, I was waiting for the 5-minute retrace. It never happened. We ended up just absolutely shitting the bed, and I didn't even get to set my stop loss, and I ended up losing more than I wanted to. I ended up losing, I think it was, oil stream journal. 2.3k. I lost more than I wanted to. It was meant to be a K, so lesson learned. I have to check the higher time frames and make sure base my trade off of the hourly and the 4-hour. So that was a big mistake that I made, and yeah, I'm definitely going to learn from this. This is just a mistake that the Lord has put in my path for me to learn from and grow from. And I'm not going to stop from here. From here on out, I'm going to be going up from here. Every day I'm going to be working harder than I did before. Yesterday, I am going to become a profitable trader. And I've really got nothing else to say, guys, other than I hope you guys have a blessed day. And yeah, other than that, that's it from me. I'll see you guys tonight. And yeah. Alright. Until next time, my brothers and sisters.